Hello student, good morning. So today I am going to do some science activity. Today we will see that vegetables are also good conducting material. So can the current pass through these vegetables or not? Okay, so today we have examples of some vegetables. We take 2 potatoes and 1 onion here. Okay, and these are the conducting material, but they are poor conductor of electricity. So our body is also conducting material, so current can easily pass through our body. So we take 2 potatoes and 1 onion. Okay, so now we connect these potatoes and these onions through these conducting wires. Okay, so we know that the current cannot flow through space. Current cannot pass through space. Okay, here we take 2 potatoes and 2 potatoes are not connected with each other. Okay, so how we connect these potatoes with each other? We take any wire here. Okay, we already know that the current need some conducting medium to flow through them. So firstly we take any conducting wire and we connect these 2 potatoes through this wire. Okay, firstly we put here the one end of this wire, put inside this potato, and the second end of this wire connect to the other potatoes. Okay, so now these 2 potatoes connected each other, okay, through this wire. Okay, so here we take any battery eliminator and we take any galvanometer. Okay, so firstly the wire, okay, the one end of this wire connect to the positive terminal of this battery eliminator, and the second end of this wire, I mean the free end of this wire, connect to the first potato. Okay, and the first potato here connect to the second potato with this wire. Okay, and the second potato connect to the, we take here magnet, I mean this galvanometer. Okay, this galvanometer, okay, have this, you see that here the red magnetic needle. Okay, when current pass through this circuit, then magnetic needle will be deflected here, and this shows that the current pass through this conducting medium, I mean this conducting material. Okay, so the one end of this wire connect to the positive terminal of this galvanometer, and the free end of this wire connect to the, I mean this is the free end of this wire connect to the second potato. Okay, second potato, and here you see that the negative terminal of this galvanometer connect to the negative terminal of this battery eliminator. Okay, so you see that all this circuit. Okay, I repeat again what we do here. So firstly we take any wire and one end of this wire connect to the positive terminal of this battery eliminator, and the second end, I mean the free end of this wire connect to the first potato, and this first potato connect to the second potato with this wire, conducting wire. Okay, and this second potato connect to the wire, I mean the free end of this wire, of which the one end of this wire connect to the positive terminal of galvanometer, and the free end of this wire connect to the second potato, and the negative terminal of this galvanometer connect to the negative terminal of battery eliminator. So our circuit is closed circuit. This is a closed circuit. So when current pass through here, okay, then magnetic needle will be deflected here. So now we see that we switch on here battery. Okay, so we here take 4 volt. Okay, so now magnetic needle deflected here. Okay, so when we switch off the battery, okay, and now we switch on, so this shows that magnetic needle deflected here. This shows that current pass through these potatoes, and this shows that these are the conducting medium, but poor conductor of electricity, not good conductor of electricity here. Okay, so we take here 2 volt. Okay, so what happened then? Current reduces, but magnetic needle deflected. Okay, magnetic needle deflected but slightly deflected. This shows that these are the conducting medium. So now we connect this onion. Okay, so we remove second potato. Okay, and we connect here this first potato. We connect first potato to this onion. Okay, okay, and we connect this wire. We connect this wire to this onion. Okay, so now we start this switch of battery. Okay, magnetic needle deflected here. Okay, so magnetic needle deflected here, and this shows that these are also conducting medium, I mean electricity can pass through this onion. Okay, so understand that. So now we connect all these three, then what happened then? Okay, so 1 minute. We take another wire. Okay, we take another wire and we connect the first end of this wire to this onion, and we connect second end of this wire to this potato, I mean the second potato here. Okay, 1 minute. This wire. Okay, and this wire, okay, connect here to second potato. So now we see that current pass through this or not. Yes, current pass through this, but very small amount of current. Okay, so this shows that when we connect all these in series, okay, this potato and onion connect with this wire, and this onion and potato connect with this wire. Okay, so now current pass through it. Yes, current is passed very slightly. So now, okay, so this shows that current passed through this onion and this potatoes. Okay, so this is our project today. Okay, so these are conducting medium. These are conducting medium, but here these are conducting material, but bad conductor of electricity, not good conductor of electricity. So electric current pass through these vegetables. Okay.